Hello everyone. Today we would like to present our mini project. The title of our project is Cesar Cryptographic Web with QR Code Output. This project were developed by us from Group A, which is include me, Alicia Agata Nathaniel Talaum Benua, Intan Kurnia Salsabil, and also Hana Rafifa Helmi. So first thing first, we will explain what our project is.
This is a web-based application that uses the Kaiser-Chipper algorithm to encrypt and decrypt the message. The encrypt message is converted into a QR code, so it cannot be read directly. To reveal the original message, user must upload the QR code in our web application. Next. First, the process starts when the user opens the application. Then the user chooses the encrypt or decrypt a message. If the user selects encryption, the input user the plain text, then click generate a QR code. The QR code is then automatically saved on the user's device and the process ends. If the user selects decryption, the user uploads a QR code. The system reads and decrypts the QR code data. Finally, the program displays the original plain text and the process ends. Next. In server development, we use Linux as the development environment because it's stable, secure, and readily. Apache Web Server is used as the main web server to connect the front end with the back end. The back end our application is built using Python with the Flex framework. We also use mod which allows the Python application to run directly inside the Apache server. Finally, the application is using localhost.
Okay, so now we're going to backend. First thing first, I have two tools, which is Flash and Python. On the Flash, it's just used as a bridge between the user and the Python program. It is an input from the user, which is text or QR code files, and then send it to the backend for processing, and then returns the result to the user by web interface. So why I choose Python? Just because it's easy to use and have many tools on them. Okay, we can go to the next. Okay, on this one, we have six tools that I use at this backend, which is Flash, Random, QR Code, GV2, and then OS, then IS. Okay, next. Okay, at this one, this code is used to initialize the Flash the application and prepare a directory for file storage. Okay, we can go to the next again. Okay, for this one, it's encryption, and then it is simple encryption, which is have CHR and or T. And this one have key generate, also QR code at this one. Okay, we can go to the next. Now it's still same as the encryption before, but the difference is it has TP2 to read the image from the QR code itself. Okay, next. Okay, this is roots. For the roots, the app root decoder is used to map a specific URL to a Python function, allowing the web application to respond to user requests and display the corresponding page or process data. I think that's all. We can go to the next session.
Okay, let's move to the front-end programs that we use in this web application. There's two of it, which is HTML and CSS. First one, HTML or CSS or hypertext markup language, which is used to build the structure of the website, such as make the headings, make the forms, buttons, and also the text fields. And then the second one is CSS or cascading style sheets, which is used to control the appearance of the website, such as designing the layout, picking the color for the elements, manage the spacing, and other visual style. So here's the result. Here is our home page. There's two main buttons here, which is encrypt and decrypt, and each of the buttons will direct us to its page. So here's the encryption page. Here there is a white text box where you can type the plain text here, and then a generate QR code button where you can run the encryption program, and also a back to home button to go back to the home page. And then the last one, the decryption page, which is to decode the QR code. So here you can upload the photo of the QR code, and then the web will automatically display the plain text result below the box. And also there's a back to home button. So I think that's all that we can share, we can present in this mini project. Thank you for your attention.